This is fifth one. I'd like to talk about various industries where OTAC can be applied. First, payment. You can use a dynamic card number generated on your mobile phone for payment. Connected car. In the network environment, you cannot control your car with a mobile phone. But OTAC works even in the off-the-network environment, and you can control your car with constantly changing code OTAC. Mobility control. A dynamic command code that changes every time is used to control cars and drones, which makes hijacking impossible. Next, moving on to smart speaker. No issues when you use your own smart speaker at home. But when you use one in public area or hotel room, it doesn't recognize your voice. It needs information from you. What information? ID, password, and OTP? No, just simple OTAC. Don't worry if anyone overhears it. The speaker will exactly recognize you, and only you can use it. One more, identification, friends and foe. Let's say you are going into battle, you have little to zero network connection, but your bio band on your arm is constantly transmitting your information. Utilizing OTAC technology, it's sending your information in dynamic code that changes every time. So you can easily, safely identify friends and foe. As you can see, OTAC can be applied to various industries. I would love to give you updates on our future business models. In the meantime, if you'd like to bring your business to the next level, we'd love to shape your future with OTAC. Please contact us.